Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to activate Bitcoin withdrawal on Cashapp. So the option to withdraw Bitcoin funds you have in your Cashapp account should be enabled by default. And if your Bitcoin withdrawal option is not activated by default, you just have to go to your Play Store and see if there is any update pending for your Cashapp. So just go ahead and update the Cashapp account from there and just come back to your Cashapp, just open it, and here just click on the banking icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen, and here just select the Bitcoin option there and click on it. And after that you just have to enter the amount you want to withdraw from your Bitcoin to your Cashapp. Just enter the amount and just press send, and there you will be able to withdraw your Bitcoin from your Cashapp, and that's it. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.